Welcome. Let's be honest, most of us are stuck. We're chasing massive goals, but we're running on broken routines. You see, true transformation doesn't happen in a single, dramatic leap. It happens in the quiet moments, in the tiny, consistent steps we take every single day. In this breakdown of Atomic Habits, we're moving past the theory. We're exploring how 1% shifts create extraordinary lives. James Clear introduces a concept that feels like a cheat code: the power of marginal gains. Think about it. If you get just 1% better at something every day for a year, you don't just get a little better, you end up 37 times better. But here's the trap. We rarely see the results immediately. We work, we sweat, and nothing seems to change. Clear calls this the plateau of latent potential. It's like heating an ice cube. From 25 degrees to 31, nothing happens. But at 32 degrees, it melts. Your work isn't wasted. It is just being stored. We are taught to obsess over goals, winning the game, losing 10 pounds, writing a book. But Clear makes a bold claim. Winners and losers have the same goals. The difference is their systems. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. A goal is a destination, but a system is the engine that actually gets you there. If you want better results, forget about the goals and focus on the machine that produces them. So, how do we actually build these systems? It comes down to the 4 laws of behavior change. First, make it obvious. Stop relying on willpower and start designing your environment. If you want to play guitar, don't hide it in the closet. Put it in the middle of the living room. Second, make it attractive. We are dopamine-driven creatures. Bundle your difficult habits with things you already love. Third, make it easy. Use the 2-minute rule. If a habit takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Don't read a book. Just read 1 page. Make it so easy you can't say no. And finally, make it satisfying. Our brains crave immediate rewards. Give yourself a small win every time you stick to the plan. The ultimate secret to making habits stick isn't about what you do, it's about who you are. Don't say, "I'm trying to quit smoking." Say, "I'm not a smoker." Every action you take is a vote for the person you wish to become. You don't need a miracle, you just need a system. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the atoms of your life transform into something incredible. Please like and subscribe for more short summaries.